Have you ever seen two lines cross on a graph and wondered what that point actually means? That's what systems of equations are all about. A system of equations is just two or more equations that all share the same variables, like x and y. Your job is to find values of x and y that make every equation true at the same time. In this video, we'll look at three main ways to solve a system of two equations: graphing, substitution, and elimination. We'll also talk about when each method works best. Let's start with graphing. Imagine you have the system x plus y equals 6 and x minus y equals 2. If you graph both of these lines on the same coordinate plane, they'll cross at one point. That intersection is the solution. For this system, the lines meet at x equals 4 and y equals 2. That pair, 4, 2, makes both equations true. Graphing is great when the numbers are simple and you want to see what's happening visually. But it can be hard to read exact answers if the intersection doesn't land on nice grid points. Next up is substitution. With substitution, you solve one equation for one variable, then plug that into the other equation. Using our first equation, x plus y equals 6, you could solve for x. That gives you x equals 6 minus y. Now take that expression and substitute it into the second equation, x minus y equals 2. Wherever you see x, replace it with 6 minus y. So you get 6 minus y equals 2. Now you can solve this equation with just one variable. Once you find y, plug it back in to find x. Substitution works best when one equation is already solved, or almost solved, for a variable. Finally, elimination. With elimination, you line up both equations and add or subtract them to cancel out one variable. For example, if you have x plus y equals 6 and x minus y equals 2, you can subtract the second equation from the first. The y terms cancel, and you're left with 2x equals 4, so x equals 2. Then you plug x back into either equation to find y. Elimination is powerful when the variables already line up nicely, or when you can quickly multiply one equation to make them line up. To recap, use graphing for a clear picture, substitution when a variable is easy to isolate, and elimination when the equations line up for quick canceling. If you'd like to turn explanations like this into your own animated videos, head over to vidfactory.ai and create your own explainer videos effortlessly.